Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do monthly reading for Pisces for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Pisces, your first card for the reading. Okay, two cards. Okay, is Queen of Cups. Princess of Swords, High Priestess. You have strong emotions for your person. Yes, you have very strong emotions for your person, or your person have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups, Princess of Swords, and High Priestess. Definitely you are trusting your intuition right now. And Page of Swords, some communication, and you are spying on your social media, or your person may be spying on you on social media, or you are thinking a lot about something a lot. So many ideas coming to you in your mind, and you want to express your thoughts and feelings to other person, something like that. And the High Priestess, definitely you are trusting your intuition, you are balancing the things. And Queen of Cups, definitely you have strong emotions for you. For some, your person have strong emotions for you, and they are trusting their intuition. So energies could be vice versa. Let's see. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Pentacles, King of Cups. Let's pull all cards, then I will. Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, the Lovers, Death, the Sun. Wow, the Tower. Yeah, so let's see. So the Wheel of Fortune and the Four of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Someone in this connection having hard time to express their feelings. Yeah, it could be you or your person. I think it could be you, Pisces. You are having a hard time to express your feelings, even though you have strong emotions for your person. Knight of Cups, it is very slow moving energy. I think one person in this putting a lot of effort is your person. You also putting, but not as much as your person, because Knight of Cups is very slow energy, but it is stable offer. Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor, Pisces. So let's see, the Lovers is here, and the next is the Ten of Cups and Knight of Swords, King of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection is very straightforward, very honest, and very committed. And Ten of Cups, definitely you both want this Ten of Cups in this connection, or you want Ten of Cups in this connection. And the Lovers, you both have intimacy, you both love each other. The Lovers is here, you or your person could be Gemini. And the Death and the Sun and the Lovers, the last four. So let's see all cards. Okay, Death, the Sun, and the Tower. Something happened between both of you, or it is going to be happen, the Tower moment. But this tower moment is only for good, because the Death is also here, the transformation. Definitely you or your person could be undergoing some transformation. After the transformation, this happiness will come into your life. If your person is undergoing some transformation, they will be like this, or if you undergoing some transformation, you will be like this. But after the Tower moment, the one person will undergo some transformation, or you both will undergo some transformation. Definitely there some spiritual awakening. You have strong emotions for your person's Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you in the month of November. Pisces, let's see. Four of Swords, the World, Seven of Cups. Yeah, I think they are not going to call you. If you want to communicate, you have to call, because right now they are in this state. They are taking their rest. they are in some meditation state. They are thinking but not taking any action. The world, this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different countries, different cities. And Seven of Cups, definitely your person has some confusion regarding this connection, something, or your person maybe have options. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Justice, Nine of Cups, Hermit. Yeah, I think there is separation for some between both of you, but for some there is no contact between both of you. You or your person could be Libra. Nine of Cups, the Hermit. I think your person undergoes some spiritual awakening right now. They are not going to take any actions in near future. They are wishing for this connection but not taking any action because no communication is going between both of you. For some, those who are in this situation, I am telling particularly, because the Hermit, you or your person could be Virgo. Definitely spiritual awakening. Hermit mode is isolated themselves from all, not taking any action, because this person, your person, is spiritually awakening right now, Pisces. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Knight of Wands, the Fool, and Princess of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no collaboration between both of you. I think that's why there is no I think one person investing more in this connection than the other person. That's why there is no equal give and take. There is no balance in this connection. If the connection want to go next level, definitely there has to be collaboration between both of you. Three of Pentacles means working together, partnership. And Princess of Pentacles, yeah, I think one person in this connection is very intuitive and they are workaholic. They want to create something new in their life. Pentacles, they are working on their career. One person in this connection, they are always thinking about their career and creating new things. Page of Pentacles. And the Fool, yeah, definitely there is some new energies coming in this connection in the month of November. You both want new beginning with each other. Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion between both of you. There is a lot of passion. You both are very passionate about each other. Knight of Wands. Yeah, you both want new beginning with each other. One person is workaholic and creating things, very creative. And Three of Pentacles, but you both have to work on this relationship if you want to take this relationship to next level. Definitely, because Three of Pentacles is a partnership. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces, for the month of November. The Devil and Hanged Woman and Eight of Swords. I think you are stuck, Pisces. I think the person undergoing, I think you both are undergoing some transformation because the Death and the Virgo in your person's card. Definitely you are stuck right now. You don't know what to do, what not to do. And yeah, the Hanged Woman, definitely you are stuck and you are spiritually awakening also. The Devil, yes, there is some obsession. You are in some this energy. You have to work on yourself to out of this energy, because the spiritually awakening process, definitely you are stuck, Pisces. You have to put a lot of work on yourself. Yes, you are also undergoing some transformation. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. Five of Pentacles, Chariot, Knight of Swords. Definitely your person may be in some anxiety, depression due to separation between both of you. And Chariot, yeah, they want to take things to next level. And Five of Pentacles, definitely for some there is separation. They are feeling for sad that you are showing some cold showering to your person. You are not treating them well, or you are not putting so much effort. You are not, there is no equal give and take. There is no balance in this connection. That's why your person feeling like anxiety and depression. And Two of Wands, they are thinking about a lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or and water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So if you want to take this relationship to next level, you have to put equal effort in this connection, Pisces. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.